if you want to use extracellular vesicles derived from mesenchymal stromal cells, you have a big problem that is still discussed. The problem is that if you try to use specific doses of extracellular vesicles, you obtain normally very different results according to the type of expansion of the cells, the source of the cells, the dose, the concentration of extracellular vesicles that you administer. And this is due to the fact that the content of extracellular vesicles may vary dramatically according to the activation state of the mesenchymal stromal cells from which they derive, and according to the source of the cells. So the recent paper we published in Stem Cells tried to suggest an alternative approach to this problem. So we tried to identify some mechanisms of actions, including in our paper we selected as a surrogate the entity of expansion of T regulatory cells following the administration in a mouse model of extracellular vesicles. And what we found is that regardless the protein and miRNA content of these extracellular vesicles, it is better to focus our attention on the functional effect of the extracellular vesicle administration. So we identify some doses that are associated with a phenomenon that is an expansion, a discrete expansion, a constant expansion of T regulatory cells. And we found that by using this, we can say, arbitrary dosing in terms of functional assay, we had always the same results. And I think that this may be an improvement because regardless the kind of system that you use for expanding cells or for collecting extracellular vesicle, if you focus your attention only on the effect, the functional effect, you can have shareable and standardized results regardless the concentration of the single component of the extracellular vesicles.